Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and we are going to get started on our Go Ye project for February. I'm putting it out a little bit early because it's a Valentine sort of look. Well, it's a Valentine. And, you know, since Valentine's Day is the 14th, I want to give you guys plenty of time to make these. So let me show you one that's already done. This is what we're going to make. It's going to have the string circle closures and open up and have verses and have cards in two pockets. Okay, so that is what we're doing today. So here's your sheets. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my pieces out and I'm going to ink the edges with my distress ink. You can't hardly read this one anymore. My Tim Holtz distress ink, and then I will be back. I am back. And I'm going to get this thing put together. So I'm going to get my scoring board out, and there are little marks here, there, and there, and those are your little marks to tell you where to score. So line those up and score here. Whoops, score here and line those up and fold those two lines, and then I'm going to take a folding bone, burnishing tool, whatever you want to call it, there it is, and make those lay really flat. And then these two pieces go on these front panels. We're just going to glue those on. And make sure you get the right one on the right side, and you want to get the edges on the middle lined up, and well, all the way around really. And then get those pushed down, glued on. And the other side. Okay, so we've got our front on. So now we are going to put our circles on. So we need, I put the red on there for you to cut circles out of, and you just need 2 of them. So there should be plenty of room to do that. And then you're gonna, I've got this scrap piece of paper from one of the pages, and I'm gonna do 2 circles to glue to those, because I like my circles to be 2 paper thicknesses, 2 layers. And then the bottom circles need 2 layers, so you need 4 more. And then you just glue them together. I spin them around to kind of distribute the glue. I use the pH neutral PVA glue. It's gives you time to move things around. Art glitter glue and Barely Art glue, pretty much wherever you put it, it sticks. And this gives you a little more leeway, but it also takes a little bit longer to dry. It's not instant. You just kind of have to hold it for a second. But I like the trade-off because it does let me move things, and I think, and plus it's cheaper, a little bit cheaper. So the pH neutral means that it's archival, so the acid, there's no acid in the paper or in the glue, I mean, to eat your paper up, so it'll last a long time. So there's your 4 circles. You're going to need an awl, and you're going to need some either well, brads are what they are. This is Tim Holtz. He calls them long fasteners. He's got short fasteners, long fasteners. Whatever you want to use, you're going to need 2 little brads, and I've already got a couple laying out here. And we're going to go ahead and put those on. So I'm going to take a piece of packing from a Amazon package here and put my circles together, and then I'm going to punch a hole in the middle of them. So I just flip them over. It's easier for me to see for some reason on white, plain white. So I just put I just eyeball it as best I can, poke the hole. Same thing with the other one. And now I need to poke the holes on the Valentine. And so I'm going to put them about here. I want them to be fairly close to this middle fold, because when you put that brad in, it's going to be like right here. We're going to cover it with a pocket. And so if you get it over here, your brad will show. So keep it close, pretty close to the edge. And about there's where I'm going to put it. And I'm just going to make a mark with my pencil. And then I'm going to measure that with a ruler so I can get it in the same spot. So it's about 1 mark up from 3 3/4. So about here. I'm going to make a little marks. This is pencil, so it shines. I can see where my mark is. And then it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 inch in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a hair over. Okay, so I'm going to take my awl and, well, I know where that mark is. I'm going to punch the hole and punch this hole. And then I'm going to take my brads and put those through my 2 circles and put them on. Get the feet spread out and push them on there as tight as I can. And I want the lines to go up and down. And then the other one, put that on. Like that. And then I'm going to take a piece of string, and I'm going to use this white cord. I got this at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just take that top circle and just kind of bend it up a little bit so that my string will go under it better, so it's not fighting all the time trying to figure out where to go. Like that. And tie it 2 times and trim off the little piece that sticks out. And then just wrap it around the other circle. Wrap it around however many times you want to. That's probably enough. Like that. And you've got your closure done. So we're going to open it up. Now I'm going to put a little piece of washi tape over that. And it's not going to show, so and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Washi tape's not archival, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue over it. And I want to make sure it doesn't show, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, that's fine. It won't show. And then put that way when you're putting your little cards in, it won't catch on the feet and do anything weird. So, like that. And so now we're going to glue the pockets on. So you just put glue on the 3 sides. It's a little tricky because it's going over that circle, but it will work. Okay. And then this one. Let's see. You can see me moving it around with that glue, which is also because I've got a lot of glue on it. I do miss my little dispenser, but this gets clogged kind of, and I take a needle and stick down in it. And when I do that, it comes out about like the small applicator that you get with the art glitter glue. So it kind of works for me most of the time. Unfortunately, I just cleaned mine out, so now it's coming out pretty heavy. Okay, and we are done. All you do, now I've given you a lot of cards. You don't have to put all of these. I just wanted you to have a choice. And I also figured you could use these elsewhere because I don't like to give you half a sheet of something. So I went ahead and filled up the whole page with cards because I figured you'd use them sooner or later. So pick out the ones you want to put in there, and it'll hold quite a few if you want. And just put them in. Where's that brown one? Load it up however you want, and there you go. You're ready to give these out to whoever you're going to give Valentines to. Okay, so I hope you liked that. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's my other ones I've made. So go ye for February. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.